Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Dr. Nasser here, and today we're looking at hyaline cartilage, the most common cartilage in the body. Now, hyaline cartilage is actually one of the easiest tissues to recognize under the microscope because very little else in the body looks like it. The key features of cartilage is that the cells live inside small spaces within the extracellular matrix. These spaces are called lacunae. The cells of the cartilage are called chondrocytes. Now, each chondrocyte sits inside a lacuna, which is a small cavity within the cartilage matrix. Sometimes these cells appear individually, and sometimes they appear in small clusters called isogenous groups. These groups form when a single chondrocyte divides, producing daughter cells that remain close together. Cartilage grows mainly by appositional growth, meaning new cartilage forms at the surface. At the edges of the cartilage, you may see cells called chondroblasts. These cells are responsible for producing the cartilage matrix. As they secrete the matrix, they eventually become surrounded by and transform into chondrocytes within the lacunae. The extracellular matrix of the cartilage appears bluish in histological staining. This matrix is rich in substances such as hyaluronic acid and proteoglycans, which give cartilage a smooth, resilient structure. You may notice that the matrix appears denser around the cells and less dense in areas away from them. Although cartilage shares a similar structure across the body, there are three main types of cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. This is the most common form and found in areas such as trachea, ribs, and the articular surfaces of joints. You got the elastic cartilage, which looks very similar to hyaline cartilage under routine staining. However, it contains many elastic fibers which produce additional flexibility. Examples include structures such as the ear, epiglottis, and the eustachian tube. And finally, fibrocartilage, which is the stronger, more fibrous cartilage. It resembles dense connective tissue but occasionally contains cartilage cells in the lacunae. Fibrocartilage is found in structures that require strong cushioning, such as intervertebral discs, menisci of the knee, the pubic symphysis, and the temporomandibular joint. Sometimes you may see small slit-like spaces within cartilage sections. These are usually artifacts from tissue preparation, created when the tissue is cut during the slide preparation. They do not represent true anatomical structures. So in summary, to identify hyaline cartilage histologically, look for these key features. Chondrocytes located inside the lacunae, clusters of cells forming isogenous groups, a bluish extracellular matrix, chondroblasts near the outer edge of the tissue. These characteristics give cartilage its distinctive appearance. And now that's the classical histological appearance of hyaline cartilage done, the most common cartilage type in the body. Any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.